What is going on, bruh? This your boy. Honestly, I don't even know what I go by. You know what I'm saying? D got bands on Instagram. Top Bandit 33 on YouTube. I go by D the Bug. I go by all type of names, but just call me what you want. But today I'm gonna be talking about the RiskTakerz Discord that launched off about, I want to say, a month ago. So about a month ago, I launched off a Discord about teaching people how to trade options. A lot of questions I get is what is required and what do you need to know to start option trading. The whole point of the Discord is to teach you how to start option trading. I get a lot of people in my DMs and they be like, hey, I want to join, but I don't know nothing about option trading. And in my head, I'm like, bro, the whole point of the Discord is to teach you how to option trade. So to become a very profitable trader, I think there's 3 steps to it. The first step is learning, getting your foot in the door. That's pretty much what our Discord is about. I can't promise you our Discord gonna make you a millionaire. I can't promise you that our Discord gonna make you super successful. But our Discord is to teach you, meaning that you still have to do your part. A lot of people have joined my Discord thinking it was gonna be easy. A lot have joined thinking they're gonna get rich overnight. But with everything in life, it takes hard work. You know what I'm saying? Just like a teacher can teach you how to pass a math test, but it's up to you to actually soak in the information and use the information. You know what I mean? So you still gotta work hard. You still gotta commit your time to it. You still gotta be very resilient. And I'm not saying that everyone in my Discord is quitting or anything, but there are a couple people who thought it was gonna be easy and are finding out like, okay, this is kind of like challenging. So I kind of want to let you know like that's how it's gonna be when you join the Discord. Also, I have members in the Discord who are catching on fast, who are making money every day, very profitable. They're on pace to be better than me. It took me 2 years to get to a certain point with the option trading. So like I said, it's up to you when you get in this Discord how you gonna perform. So I'm just gonna go over like what my Discord offers. So you have your welcome and rules channel where we lay down the rules and foundations of what can happen in the Discord. Of course, you can't be sending porn. You can't be sending racist slurs. You can't be, just act normal. You know what I'm saying? Don't be on no weird shit. Announcements. This is kind of for me and the host. So I run this with my cousin. Me and him are the hosts. If we have something we want to relay to the chat real fast, we'll drop it in announcements. We oftentimes drop motivational videos in here as well. Trading options, you kind of got to stay motivated. If you come in and your first day you lose like $20, you kind of lose motivation. You know what I'm saying? Because that's with anything though. Like you kind of want to win. So with the stock shit, you kind of got to stay motivated 24/7. That's the only way you can be successful. Like if you take a L, you kind of have to just brush it off your shoulders and keep moving. It's kind of like basketball when you shoot threes or you shoot your shots. You can't be discouraged by one miss. You know what I'm saying? Like shooters gonna shoot. You know what I'm saying? I can miss all day. I'm gonna keep shooting. That's the mindset you kind of gotta have with this stock shit. Also, we have the resources tab. This is what you're gonna see when you first join the Discord. Send you up for success. Then also we have an earnings calendar. This is more for the gamblers, but if you smart, you can play it right. So every week companies announce how much money they made in the past 3-4 months, and the stock usually goes up a lot or tanks. An example would be Nike. This week Nike tanked. They announced their money and they tanked. These are like gamble plays. My chat, they love gamble plays, so I supply them with the information to gamble. It's kind of like parlay. So on BlackBerry this week, we said the stock was going to go up after earnings, which it did, and we saw 150% returns, which means if you put in $100, you would have got back $200. If you would have put in 1,000, you would have made 1,000. So it's basically all or nothing. And then also I called out Nike to go up. It didn't. So we lost money on that play, you know. But these are gambles, 50-50. You know, you're gonna win, you're gonna lose. So if you come in the chat and you want to, you know, get with the gambling side of things, this is here for you as well. 50-50 chances is better than parlay chances, in my opinion, you know. And then we supply a weekly watch list. So every day I update this right here to show what stocks to watch for tomorrow and which levels to look for breakouts or downsides. People don't know you can make money by stocks going up or down. So, you know, we'll teach you about that once you join the Discord. We'll teach you how to make money off that once you join the Discord. There's endless opportunities to make money in the stock market. So, and then here's the discussions channel where we just talk, chop it up. See, this is from the Nike build up last week. The chat got pretty funny. The chat was popping last week. Last week was the most popping the chat ever been. I think people are starting to learn. People are starting to, you know, become friends, you know. So the chat was popping a lot last week. I would wake up and see I got 30 notifications from the chat. I was happy to see that. Right now we got around 40 members. Me and my cousin, we thought we was only gonna get 15 members the first month, and we ended up at 40, which is a big success. Big, you know, something that made us very happy, man. Cause we've been planning this Discord for a minute, and it's just happy to see it actually pay off and people actually interested in joining. You know what I'm saying? So we're looking to get 50 members soon. We having a July 4th sale coming up. So the price gonna be half off for that one day. So if you want to join that day or have anyone who wants to join that day, let them know July 4th we will be making it half off to get in the Discord. And it's only one-time payment, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a $20 one-time payment, and you're in the Discord for life, and you're learning something that could change your life. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this is like step one to trading, like learning it. So once you get in here, you still have to take other steps after that to make, you know, to be successful. But at least we'll get you in the door, man. So then also we got learning sessions. So we teach y'all how to trade and what to look for when you're trading. Not gonna get into too much detail because you got to pay for this type of information. And then also every day we do call outs. So you can like mirror our plays. Like, you know how when you follow somebody parlay on Instagram, this is the same shit. We have like a 80% win rate here. We recommend people spreading their money around. So if we do miss a play, you don't lose all your money. You know, just wait for spread your money around so you can get in every play as possible. The call outs have been pretty good so far. But I do have people who just rely on the call outs, which is bad. You know, that's something I don't want you to do. I don't want you to come in the chat and only copy our plays, because at that point you're kind of like a I don't want to say, what's the word? Like, you're kind of just dependent on us too much. And we kind of want to make, the whole goal of the chat is to make you an independent trader. So we don't want you to rely on us too much. And that's how problems get started. Because if you do miss, if we do miss one play, we looked at as the bad guy. Like, that's the one thing about trading too. You can call out 8 stocks right, and the moment you get one wrong, people look at you a little different. That's why I don't want y'all to rely on us too much with the call outs. You know, they good here and there. You know what I'm saying? It's good to have it here and there. If you're busy and you can't really see your chart right now, you can just rely on us for that second. I get that, but don't make it your main like focus of, you know, just following us on the call outs, because you're not going to get rich depending on somebody else. You know what I'm saying? That's just facts. And here's the profit channel, which is my favorite channel. People be throwing their money in here, how much money they made in the chat. And like, we don't discriminate, man. $7 gains, $6 gains, and then we see $60 gains. We see 1,000 sometimes. We see 30. I make 40, 50, 60, 80. You know, we don't discriminate in here, man. You make that money, throw it in here. As you can see, this is pretty popping too. So this proves that people make money in my chat, you know, if you put the work in. So if you come in with the mindset to succeed, man, you're going to be successful. I just wanted to drop a little video breaking down like what the Discord is about and what it offers and stuff like that, man. Don't be afraid to ask me questions or to try something new, man. People be asking themselves why their life ain't no different than it was yesterday. Cause you ain't doing nothing different than you was yesterday, man. So you know what I'm saying? Like, to get rich, you gotta take risks, man. Um, we teach people how to read charts. We give people indicators to use. You know, we offer a lot for $20, man. Me and my cousin, we talk all the time about how we low key giving out free game. Like, this chat should honestly be worth like $50 to $100, but we giving the game out for $20, man. So you know what I'm saying? If you thinking about joining, hit me up. Like I said, discount coming July 4th. You can ask any of our members about the chat. I want them to be honest about the chat. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, the work you put in, what work you get out. But I'll catch y'all in another video. Y'all have a good day.